In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your phone settings and make sure that you're connected to a good and stable internet connection. Now you want to go back. Now tap on screen time. Now select content and privacy restrictions. So you want to make sure that this setting is turned off. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. So again, go to General, tap on Software Update, and make sure that your iOS version is updated. Now go back, scroll down, and select VPN and device management. So make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So if you are, you want to disconnect to your VPN first. Now you want to go back to your settings, scroll down until you see Safari. So tap on Safari. Now from here, what you want to do is scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. So simply tap on All History, tap on Clear History, and that's it. So I hope this video helps you. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.